Hey everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Danielle Famaro, creator of Mighty Mama. So what is Mighty Mama? Mighty Mama was developed to help moms globally thrive in wellness and find their inner strength. Let's be honest, being a parent and a woman is really challenging. We have more roles than a French bakery. So between being a chauffeur and a doctor and a mentor and a mom and everything else in between and a chef, sometimes it can get quite overwhelming. So I created this page to help moms find balance in it all. Here you can go into my playlist and find how to begin to cook right from scratch. I mean, cooking basics all the way up to becoming the master chef of your own kitchen. You can come here to get daily workouts for yourself, mom tips, and maybe even some humor thrown in from all the craziness around us. I'm a mother of two boys, and I'm an Army wife and also a certified fitness professional through AFA. I'm also an international best-selling author with my latest cookbook, Add This to Your Plate, which is mastering the essentials of cooking, nutrition, and fitness for the new and seasoned mother. It's been a crazy year and an exciting year. I'm also a program developer online. I create programming for women, specifically mothers, to lose weight post-baby. I even start with mothers straight out of the hospital with bringing abdominal separation back together, called diastasis recti, to healing the pelvic floor so we don't do an oopsie when we sneeze. Let's be honest, happens all the time, right? So we start from there, and then once mom has gotten herself back together, I take her into the next journey with my program From Scratch, where we start with mindset training, fitness training, and nutrition training all in one. So that is literally a whole reset and a rebirth on its own for mom to really start to gain her identity back and take back what was once hers before she had baby. Because even though having a baby is amazing, sometimes us moms can get lost in the shuffle. We can kind of forget who we are and lose ourselves. So it's important that we take care of ourselves and invest in ourselves to be the best mom and best person that we can be for our family. So I really hope that you enjoy this page. Check out all the good stuff that you've got here. I hope that this page brings you a lot of value. You have a good time with me, and hopefully I'll see you in one of my live classes one of these days. So take care. Have a great rest of the day, Mom. You rock.